So it's been a while since I've done a video. Last couple of videos I watched, nice pristine shops, everything's hung up, clean. Yeah, this is my shop. This is probably what a lot of shops look like. So in the process of building a couple of things. Right now, today actually, I just got a sliding miter. I had a non-sliding miter, and because I resaw my own lumber and made cutting boards, things of that nature, I needed something that had a lot more width. So used it already. Happy with it. It does exactly what it's supposed to do. It's got a couple more features that I can use on this versus the other 12-inch that I had. So right now, I'm at a couple of projects. I'm making a wooden mallet filing. So just using the garbage that I have up here. And by the way, my shop is not temperature controlled, so we are looking at a solid almost 90 degrees right there, and 60% humidity. So a couple things that I battle. I don't care about the heat per se. What I do care about, because I get my lumber to acclimate to the shop, and even though it's not temperature controlled, you know, the wood expands and contracts, and when you're putting projects together, sometimes it's difficult to anticipate some of these things. A quick video of you know, the shop, how messy it is. This is normally what most people's shops look like. Don't get discouraged when you see other shops that are nice, neat, clean, and tidy. They make for better videos, but it also gives a kind of like a false sense of reality. So if a shop looks like this, don't worry about it. Just make sure that you do clean up. You want to make sure that your tools are taken care of, because you don't take care of them, they're not going to take care of you, right? So until next time.